You've probably already seen something like this, right? People using empty MIDI tracks to either analyze their reference or to organize their own arrangement in their own projects. But what if we took this idea further? Well, I got kind of obsessed with this idea, and it turned out to actually solve all my arrangement problems ever. And I can finish tracks orders of magnitude faster than I used to before. So this is what I did. I analyzed a couple of reference tracks, and I did basically the whole structure of these tracks, and I went down and even kind of reverse engineered every instrument that was playing at any given time, right? Now this really took me a long time to do. So but it was worth it, because now I managed to actually compare my projects to this. So this is what I recommend you to do. You can get these on my Patreon. The link is going to be in the description. I'm also going to be making the same form analysis and arrangement analysis with a techno pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for if you're interested in this kind of content. This has really improved my workflow by a lot. Be sure to check out my Patreon. I have a bunch of free resources there. I'm also offering private lessons. If you're interested in that, make sure to book a call. And that's all. That's what I have for today. So tell me what you think in the comments, and stay tuned.